Hi everyone, welcome to EduTap and welcome to this video. So today I have come up with a very interesting video where I'm going to talk about one essential habit that NABARD grade A aspirant can inculcate which will help them crack NABARD grade examination. I'm not saying that this habit is going to help you crack the entire examination, but yes, if you try to inculcate this habit in your daily routine, you will be definitely helped in various aspects of NABARD grade examination. So yes, I'm going to talk about this in a while, but before that, I have an announcement that we have launched a comprehensive NABARD guidebook for you. This is your one-step solution to all your queries regarding NABARD and NABARD examination. Students, this guidebook will also provide you the previous year questions so that you can refer to what kind of questions are asked in NABARD grade A. And also you will get the syllabus of NABARD grade A plus strategy and resources to crack this NABARD grade examination. And all this you are getting for free. For that, you have to just go to the description box, click on the link, register yourself and avail this guidebook for yourself. So now with that, let's start our today's video. And today I'm going to talk about that one essential habit that each and every aspirant that is preparing for NABARD, not only NABARD, for any prestigious exam, will help them in various aspects of examination. And students, that one essential habit is reading newspaper. Yes, reading newspaper is very important if you want to have that edge in the examination, because reading newspaper is going to help in various aspects, and I am going to talk about in what things this reading newspaper, the habit of reading newspaper will help you. So बहुत बारी aspirants they overlook this thing. They feel like कि यार newspaper पढ़ने में बहुत time जाता है, इससे अच्छा हम YouTube में कोई एक वीडियो उठा के देख लेंगे, वहां से न्यूज कलेक्ट कर लेंगे. बट उन एस्पिरेंट्स को मैं ये बोलूंगी कि when you have enough time, when you have sufficient time, try to at least read something out of newspaper, because वो थोड़ा थोड़ा आपकी habit बनेगा and that is going to ultimately help you. Okay, so why I'm emphasizing so much on reading newspaper? Let me tell you all the reasons. So the very first reason is improvement of your English. In NABARD grade A, we have English section in both phase 1 and phase 2. So obviously we need to prepare this subject, right? And for English, we do not recommend any fixed book. We do not have any fixed source क्योंकि इस book को पढ़ेंगे तो English हो ही जाएगी, right? आपको English के लिए you have to practice reading comprehension. आपकी reading speed अच्छी खासी होनी चाहिए. So for that thing, अगर आप न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हो, apart from the other good things, आपकी English automatically it will improve, right? Also, you will know you will develop a good vocabulary as well. Okay, so you will have a collection of good words as well. So that is again going to help you in the examination. So the very first important thing, especially for those students who find English a difficult subject, they can start reading newspaper. Okay, and newspaper reading will help you in not only English but also improving your journal awareness. See, you have to prepare the journal awareness. अगर आपको English better होने के साथ साथ जनरल अवेयरनेस भी वही चीज पढ़ के, वही मटेरियल पढ़ के मिल रहा है, तो इसमें कुछ बुरा नहीं है, right? So again, it is going to help you in improving your general awareness. You will get to know about each and everything event, the new events that is happening daily all around in the nationwide or in the worldwide, right? And next you will be getting all kind of current affairs. See, current affairs is very important part of NABARD grade examination, and I have talked about it in the previous video that ESI current affair and ARD current affair are very important. Okay, so what you can do, if you are reading the newspaper, you can collect all these current affairs as well. So if you feel like there is some news regarding agriculture and rural development, there is something regarding any schemes in news, there is something regarding any report which is related to your syllabus in the news, you can make notes while reading the newspaper. You can collect the data, you can collect the facts of current affair while reading the newspaper. And next important thing, that this current affair will help you in writing good descriptive answer. Obviously, if you will have the collection of facts, if you know some facts, that is always going to enhance your answer, and that is always going to reflect ठीक है, वो आपके आंसर्स में रिफ्लेक्ट होगा इफ यू हैव स्टडीड समथिंग. ओके, एंड ऑल्सो आप जब न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ोगे यू विल बी रीडिंग सो मेनी थिंग्स. यू विल बी रीडिंग, आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट कि what you have to read, what especially you have to focus on, but that is ultimately going to help you in descriptive answer writing because you have collected data regarding the current affairs, you have the general awareness, and also with that you have developed a viewpoint. Okay, so developing a viewpoint is very important. While when you are reading something, when you are reading editorials, you develop an understanding and you develop a viewpoint over anything. Like if there is any topic, any current event happening, so is it good for nation, is this bad for nation, right? So you, by reading newspaper, you develop your own viewpoint and that is going to help you in your interview as well. Okay, so last thing is that your reading newspaper will going to help you in interview preparation. Obviously in interview the panel will not strictly ask you question based on your static knowledge, on your technical knowledge. I am not completely avoid saying that they will not ask, but ठीक है, technical question कुछ होंगे. Overall they try to analyze your personality, they try to analyze that how updated you are, and that updation will come by reading the newspaper. If you have read the newspaper, you will be aware about all the things. And apart from see, जो आपके एग्जाम के लिए important है, उसके साथ साथ आपको और भी चीजों का knowledge होगा. That knowledge is going to give you edge in interview. Okay, you can talk about it, you can communicate about it, and that will show that okay, this person is up to date, right? So to keep you updated, newspaper is again very important and it is going to help you in all these aspects. And I am telling you, they go, English is very important for both phase 1 and phase 2. GA is a part of merit section which is again important. Current affair, both phase 1 and phase 2 important. Descriptive answer writing very important, it is a part of mains, right? And यहाँ पे जो आपके number होते हैं, that is that is वो आपके ओवरऑल मेरिट में हेल्प करते हैं, राइट? देन इंटरव्यू में यू नीड दैट एज एंड दैट यू विल गेट दैट एज बाय अपडेटिंग योरसेल्फ, राइट? सो नाउ लेट मी टॉक अबाउट व्हाट टू रीड. ओके, लाइक इफ यू आर समवन who cannot give so much time on reading newspaper and if you feel like कि मुझे newspaper पढ़ने में बहुत ज़्यादा time लग जाता है, so tell me something that I can focus on these important things, and then I can be updated and I can get that edge, right? So students, I would say read relevant news and editorials. If you cannot read entire newspaper, at least read the relevant news. What I mean to say by relevant news means you are preparing for NABARD, you are preparing for the bank examination, NABARD examination, a regulatory body examination that is looking over agriculture and rural development. So in itself, it is clear that you have to read all the relevant news regarding agriculture and rural development. Okay, now this is a financial institute as well, so you have to have a updated knowledge of economics. You should have the updated knowledge of all the social issues, all the because ESI is also part of your examination. So जो भी newspaper में ESI syllabus से related news आती हैं, that also you have to cover. Clear? And read editorials if you can, because editorial will help you understanding that viewpoint, help you developing that viewpoint. Sorry, ठीक है? तो editorials भी पढ़ना है और जितनी भी relevant news है आपके syllabus से लेके, at least try to cover those. Okay, now I'm going to talk about few recommendations that we suggest you can refer to. So the very first recommendation is the Hindu. Okay, the Hindu is a very important and very good newspaper that you can refer and you will see by reading Hindu you will be improving English, you will be getting good collection of vocabularies, so you can use Hindu for your for your reading habit. Next is Business Line. In Business Line the advantage is that they have the dedicated column for agriculture. Okay, so you don't have to search for the agriculture news, so they have the dedicated column at one place. You will get all the agriculture news, right? And another important recommendation is the Indian Express. It is again very important for detailed analysis, and you can refer to this if you want to develop that understanding of news, understanding of things that is going around. Then if you want to know that in detail what is going around, so you can refer to the Indian Express also. These three are a recommendation. You can refer to any one of them and you can prepare, you can start developing this habit of newspaper reading. Clear? So that was all, students. And now talking about our courses, if you want to prepare with us and you want the material for phase 1, phase 2 and an interview, you can join us, or you can get our gold course, as well as if you want to just want material for phase 2 and interview, you can get our silver course. Sorry. So with that, I have a request. If you are new to our channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as if you want to download the PDF of this lecture, this session, as well as informative PDF regarding NABARD, you can join us on our Telegram channel. So that was all, students. Thank you so much.